go to the city in a taxi with Gigi, and we're gonna go take her to get a yearly checkup and then see how soon we can get her spayed, because she needs to get spayed. She's also slowly driving us insane. And also we want to be able to take her out for walks again, and obviously we can't do that while she's in heat because she might run away and give us a bunch of little furry problems. You can't even see her in there.
She's there.
Buddy's a little too round in the belly. Even the doctor thinks you're pregnant, even though it's not possible. The nurse was like, oh my god, your cat seems pregnant. And I was like, it's not possible. So they're gonna do an ultrasound to see what's going on, why she has such a round stomach. They did like a blood and stool test. Most of their stuff is normal, but some sort of like, I don't know, like protein related thing is a bit low, and something in her liver is a bit high, so they gave us some medicine to help with that. Also, we can look at getting like better food because like her nutrition isn't that great, the food we're using isn't that great, but she doesn't have any like serious problems. Yes. Gigi. She just went back inside. She was like, I'm done being bullied out here. What did you do?
I have a hole in my head, dude. Look at this side. It was getting good, right? I was going for like a shorter here, kind of bout here, but I f***ed up here somehow. Fuck, I'm gonna need to go pot again, man. It wasn't doing so good. It was kind of looking good. I'm so itchy.
Guilherme gave up and decided to shave his whole head because it was getting too hard to try to even it out.
So long. Break the cat.
Are you looking at me and watching my video to speak with it? I finished editing a video, so while I wait for it to render, I'm gonna make some brownies. I didn't think it was gonna rain, but luckily my coat kind of is a raincoat, so. So this is the gift bag I got, because one of the traditions for Purim is that you give like food and stuff to people. And so this is the one I got from Chabad. I'll show you what's inside. I did not expect this much stuff to be there. So I think this is a Havdalah set. Yeah. I think these are candies. So this is for the spices. This is a wine cup, and this is for the candle. This is the Havdalah candle. I keep saying Havdalah. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like the end of Shabbat, so Saturday night. Oh my God, please be wine. Yes, kosher wine. I love Kiddush wine. Like, it's really sweet and like not very alcoholic, and that's probably why I like it. And then they have a little tray to put it on. This is so cool. Wow. I just realized that they put hamantashen in these bags. Are you guys both trying to blend in right now? What's happening? Today, I'm planning on working on homework. I have a homework assignment that's basically I have to model this like Game Boy type of game machine on Blender. I think it's really normal if you're just getting started on 3D modeling that like it is so unintuitive. Like, it's so hard because like I'm someone like me and everyone else in my class, we're all artists, and I don't like doing digital art because I find it so much more difficult than like normal art. It's really hard because clearly the teacher knows what he's doing, and so he'll go so fast sometimes and he'll just use all these shortcuts, and I'm like, I don't know how to use the keys. I was having some issues with like things just not working, and I was so frustrated that I literally had to leave the room. Like, ugh. It's so difficult. I hate it. Just finished my other homework, which it was like for frisbee class, and we had a homework to write the rules of frisbee and then a diagram of the frisbee field. Yeah, and handwrite it so that it gets into our heads. But anyway, that's it for today. I'm wrapping up. I'm going to bed. If you say no, pomegranate and milk flavored. I don't know if I like that either. It's just milk ice cream. Look how small these mangoes are. What is this? I've never seen anything like that before. Is it? No, it's this one, right? This one. I'm going over to my friend's house today, and I was gonna make her cookies before I go, and I forgot butter, so I'm gonna run to the store and try to get butter. That only took me half an hour to go to the store and back. And I'm really annoyed because they didn't have real butter. They didn't have real butter at the store. So I had to get like 10 of these little butter pats. And I would need like 32 to make up a cup of butter. And they only had one box of 10. So I think I can replace the rest with oil. I wish I didn't have to do this, but if I got a delivery, the closest place that I have like real butter is like an hour away. By delivery, not by driving or something. But anyway, and I don't have that much time. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna try putting the mix in the oven. Oh no, in the fridge, because I think maybe my problem is that it was too warm. I don't know, I tried Googling it. They kind of failed, honestly. It was a little bit better after I put them in the fridge. It still kind of failed. Look at how they broke because I didn't let them cool properly. Oh my god. Done, ready to go. Our frisbee game match ended abruptly with my friend taking a frisbee to the mouth. So yeah, I'm done with frisbee class. Everything hurts. My feet, my ankles, my abdomen, my throat. I don't know what else, but everything hurts. And I think I'm due for a good long break playing Minecraft at home. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. See you next time. Bye bye.